Hi guys, welcome to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about which one is the best for SEO. Squarespace versus Wix versus WordPress. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be doing a comparison between Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress like what I said in the title, but this time it will be for SEO. Now, a little fact for you guys who are watching, 50% of all the website that you are using right now is actually made with WordPress or from WordPress. 7% of the websites that we are using is only made up of Wix, while the 4% is made of Squarespace and the other percentage are of course made by other platforms. But of course, we're only focusing on Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress. Now knowing that 50% of all websites are actually from WordPress over here, you would automatically think that their SEO would come from WordPress, or rather, the one that has the most SEO is for WordPress. Now, although this is true, yes, the one that has the most potential to provide you with the greatest SEO is WordPress because of its background and everything you could do with it. It is not necessarily a suitable choice, especially for someone who is a beginner. Let's say that I myself is a beginner with creating a website and I don't really know much about the different difficult features that I need to set up and all the different things that I need to do for a website. And although I know that I need a good SEO so that my website would succeed and has a lot of traffic, I would need to use a platform that would allow me to be good even as a beginner and have good SEO still. Now, like I'm going to continue earlier, WordPress has the best SEO, but it is not a beginner friendly. A lot of its features are very challenging. You would need to invest some money as well to unlock some upgrades to be able to use some other features of the platform as well. And overall, it's a bit confusing for a beginner. It would take a while or a decent time before a beginner will be able to actually create a decent website with WordPress and figure out all the different proper features that you should use to build your website. So I would suggest that you go for the second best SEO, which is Wix over here. And creating a platform or creating a website in Wix is very simple. All you need to do is to click on create new site over here. You could already see the big difference between their homepage and like dashboard over here, wherein WordPress, everything is like all in one area. You would need to look through different options over here to figure out what to do. But in Wix, as you can see, you could actually go straight and build your website right away. And the great thing about this is it also have a great SEO, so it will do a great job as well for you. Now you could also go with Squarespace. Of course, you could also build your website in Squarespace if that is your preference. There's no stopping you with choosing which one of this would you actually rather use. But since our topic is SEO, you would really need to think about the options that I am talking about here, which is WordPress, and the middle ground, which is Wix over here. And as you can see right now, I'm already creating a very simple website. I'm not putting in any information, but I'm trying to skip through the process and to show you how easy it is to actually edit and set up your website. So I could already start designing my website after a few clicks, and as you can see, it will not be hard for a beginner to build their website from scratch and be able to still have a decent SEO. And if you're not inclined to focusing on SEO, or if you're willing to set aside that for the meantime, since Wix is indeed have a decent SEO either way, you should go with Wix if you're a beginner and you're not really that skilled yet with the different aspect of a website creation. So you should use Wix. Although if you want to use Squarespace, you could use that, but I would suggest that you use Wix. But if you're really inclined into building a website that is SEO inclined, I would suggest that you would use WordPress. Although it will take a while to learn this, But once you will be able to learn all the different features, everything that makes a website great, you will be able to create an amazing website using WordPress, of course. Although there is a lot of pros and cons with WordPress, the pros are you are able to create amazing websites with all the different features available for you. You have your WooCommerce, your plugins, all of those different things that you could put together and make an amazing website. You will be able to have that ability through WordPress. Because of its wide range of features, you will not only be able to make very simple websites. Like I said earlier, 50% of the website that we are browsing right now are actually made with WordPress. So you could understand the success and ability to build very successful websites from WordPress. But let's go with the downside. The downside in WordPress is that if you're a free user and you would like to try like the plugins, because plugins is a big part of creating an amazing website in WordPress, and even the WooCommerce feature where you could start your online store with WordPress, you would actually need to upgrade your plan. So this is not something you will be able to use as a free user. But you will still be able to create your website, but it will be the basic default vanilla features that is available in WordPress, but you won't be able to use plugins, which, as I explained earlier, is a very important tool. Because as you can see here, you will be able to create a search engine optimization as well. This will help you improve your SEO even more. And you can also check out your rank math SEO, check out the ranking of your actual website, and many more. And as you can see, all of these tools will be available for you as a plugin. You can also check out e-commerce and business, booking and scheduling, event and calendar, and many more. And this just implies that this is a very important feature that you need to have if you would like to create an amazing WordPress website. And since it's not available for the domain or the plan that we have, I would suggest that you get the plan. So let's see the plan that you are able to get. So let's go with the WooCommerce. Let's check out our plan that we should have. This upgrade to business. Let's check it out. There we go. You would need to pay $300 to be able to upgrade your plan to business. But this one is for a year. For, as you can see, although the options are only for 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years, there isn't really other options over here, as you can see. And it will be hard for a lot of people to achieve this, of course, because $300 is not a small price. Although it is worth it for all the features that you will be able to get from WordPress and being able to build amazing websites. Some just doesn't have the luxury to buy something with $300 right away. So if you're trying to build a website to, of course, gain some money as well, I suggest you use Wix for the meantime. And after you're used to building websites, used to knowing what should be inside a website, and if you have extra money, of course, you can now go over and transition to WordPress and begin your journey with this as well. Although you could already start with WordPress with the free version, and you could still build the websites as well. You will be able to do that, and you could also spend your time familiarizing yourself with the feature that you will be able to use. That would also give you a lot of help. And so that's it, guys. The best SEO is, of course, WordPress. The worst one is Squarespace. And the middle ground, or the decent option for beginners and someone who's looking for a good SEO, is the Wix website over here. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.